In today's video, I'll share how I was able to generate $288,000 for one of my clients in just 12 days. Also, I'll show you how to 10x your results in 30 days and some game-changing strategies for your e-commerce business. Let's dive in. Let's start with Facebook ads. So from the 1st of May until the 12th of May, we did spend $9,566 on the sale and we generated $116,191 with a 12.15 ROAS. The way I structured the sale on Facebook ads is I had one campaign, and inside that campaign I had 5 audiences. Those audiences were one broad, 2 individual interests, 1 Advantage Plus audience, and 1 retargeting. We were spending a total of $800 a day, and out of those $800 a day, we were spending $100 on retargeting and $700 on prospecting campaigns. In each of those ad sets, we had 5 creatives running all the time. If something dropped in performance, we always had something to replace it with. And the way we decided which creatives to use is by analyzing the previous sales we were doing with this brand. The Easter sale, Valentine's Day sale, Black Friday. We analyzed those 3 sales and we saw which creatives were performing best. And we used similar creatives with similar text overlay, similar copy, and we used it for Mother's Day. When it comes to email and SMS marketing, we generated a total of $104,231 with all of the emails and SMS that we sent during that period. We sent a total of 7 email campaigns and 5 SMS campaigns. And here the emails that we sent during Mother's Day. So again, I repeat, the Mother's Day sale, we ran it from 1st of May until the 12th of May. And the first email obviously went out on 1st of May, Mother's Day sale starts. The second email went out on 3rd of May, Mother's Day, the perfect gift. And in this email, we were recommending different types of jewelry that would do a great gift. The next email went out on 5th of May, and it was based on different stones and their meaning. For example, we have black onyx, purple dream, we have turquoise, and we're basically explaining what the different stones mean. The next email went out on 7th of May, and we just promoted our best-selling collection. So very simple there. The next email went out on 9th of May, and we were basically reminding people about the sale, that it's still going. Next email went out on 11th of May, and we just basically said 2 days left until the sale ends. And then the 12th of May, we sent an email, Mother's Day sale ends in 24 hours. Make sure you take advantage of it. When it comes to the SMS, as I said, we sent 5 different SMS campaigns, and they were very similar to the emails. Sale starts, best sellers, best gift ideas, 2 days left, and 1 day left until the sale ends. And that's about it. That's how we helped our client generate almost $300,000 in less than 2 weeks. When it comes to sales like this, you really need to prepare ahead of time. Like for example, we had the emails and the SMS campaigns ready 2 weeks before the actual sale started. In the middle of April, we had everything ready. We also knew which creatives we were gonna use for the Facebook ad, so we had them ready again 1 or 2 weeks before the sale started, and everything was scheduled and ready. So when you do big sales like this, you need to ensure everything is in place, because Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Black Friday, sale times like this, especially in the jewelry world, they're huge. So you really need to prepare ahead of time if you want to be successful. The first thing you need to do is to ensure you have high conversion rate. Now, higher conversion rate will make your job a lot easier when it comes to scaling and improving your results. Because again, I've said this many times in my previous videos, regardless of how good your ads or email marketing is, if your conversion rate is low, your website doesn't convert people, you will never get more sales and you will never be able to scale your business. I have a few videos on conversion rate optimization on my channel that you can watch after this video, and I'm gonna pop the thumbnails of those videos on the screen now, so you can go ahead and watch them after you finish with this video. A couple of tips that come from the top of my head at the moment when it comes to conversion rate optimization is, first, you need to ensure you have high quality images. Now, high quality images are a must. If your images are blurry, they don't show the product clearly, people won't buy them. You also need to have a clear description of the product, maybe a video if you need to show to people how to use it, and a streamlined checkout process that makes it easier for people to buy. Another thing that's not gonna hurt you, especially if you have higher higher priced products is Klarna and Afterpay. Those apps will allow people to buy in a couple of installments interest-free, which is gonna make your products more affordable to people. The next thing that you need to ensure is to have upsell or downsell after people buy. This again be depending on the type of product that you're selling. But for example, if you're selling jewelry and someone buys a necklace, you can upsell them or downsell them on a bracelet that will go along with the necklace that they bought after they purchase. This could be done with a couple of apps on Shopify, or you can create an email marketing sequence that will send automatic emails to people when they buy. If your store has only one product, you can sell them the same product again on a cheaper price, or you can recommend them a bundle. Again, this is going to be very dependent on the type of business that you have. Utilizing cross-sells, upsells and bundles will increase your average order value, which would make it easier for your ads to scale. Next on the list we have content. Now content for Facebook ads is the one thing that you have full control of when it comes to Meta ads. That's why I highly recommend to you to put a lot of attention to it, because content is what is going to drive people to your website, and the better the content, the more people are going to come to the website and the more people will buy. Now I'm going to show you a couple of creatives that I would highly recommend to you. All of the creatives that I'm going to show to you are single images because they're easier to create, but obviously UGC and videos work good as well. But at the moment I'm going to show you just single images because they're easier to create and you can really start pushing with your Facebook ads and scaling. Now the first creative that we have here is from Hike Footwear. Now you can see that this creative has a lot of things happening. Now the first thing that pops is a pain-free life awaits you. Now they push their unique selling points, as you can see with all of those arrows, and you can see they have added most of their unique selling points. They have also added a customer review on the bottom, which is great, and you can see on the top they're leading with the main question: sick of constant foot pain. This will grab attention and will make people read the ad copy and check the actual ad and all of the unique selling points. The next creative is very simple, just a standard product review from Amberjack, and you can see in the copy they have listed again unique selling points, and then the creative is their logo, dress shoes for doctors, 5-star reviews, and then a customer review from Dr. Mike. And the last one that I have for you that's working really well for all of my clients is Us versus Them. This is a diaper brand, and you can see how they're comparing their product versus other diapers. Most parents, when they're looking for diapers, they are concerned about these 4 things: leaks, blowouts, diaper rash, and the feel of the actual product. And you can see that their product is better than the normal diapers, and they have listed the main points that parents are concerned. They're using very simple ad copy because the image covers everything. And there is a saying, an image speaks 1,000 words. So that's the case for this creative right here, and it's a really good creative, and I use it for the majority of the brands that we are working with. After you have your content ready, you need to set up email marketing flows. The 2 main flows are welcome series and abandoned cart email flow. I have videos that cover everything when it comes to email marketing. Again, I'm gonna pop up all of the thumbnails here so you can check them after this video, but basically the most important flows are welcome series and abandoned cart email flow. Welcome series basically introduces your brand to the person and it gives them a discount. And when it comes to abandoned cart flows, they get sent automatically to people who abandon their cart, and their main goal is to get people back to your website and to complete their purchase. Having this flow is going to reduce the amount of abandoned carts and you're going to get more sales automatically. That's the beauty of email marketing flows, is that once you set them up, they will convert people automatically as long as you drive traffic to your website and you get more people to come through the email flows. Once you have those things in place, you can start scaling. You can start scaling horizontally or vertically. The difference between the two is that when you scale vertically, you increase the budget of your current campaigns or ad sets by 10 to 20% maximum every 3 to 4 days. So you do not restart the learning phase. When it comes to horizontal scaling, you need to duplicate your winning ad sets with your winning creatives and increase the budget of the ad set. My favorite type of scaling is vertical because it's a lot easier and you can just increase the budget of your ad sets or campaigns with 20% every 3 to 4 days. And for me, that type of scaling has been working best. And those are the things that you need to do if you want to scale faster. And I promise you, if you implement those things correctly, you'll be able to scale your store. I also have a free training which you can access from the link in the description below. And in that training, I cover Facebook ads, email marketing, and website optimization. I show you exactly how to optimize your website for higher conversion rates so more people convert and you increase your sales. I'll show you how you can create a really good Facebook ad strategy for your store that will bring constant traffic to your website and sales. and also how to convert people with email marketing. Again, the link to that training is going to be in the description below. So thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next one.